Two helicopter crew members have died after a mid-air collision with another helicopter during an operation to control a huge wildfire near Athens. High winds and dry conditions have fueled the blaze in the Attica region, which has engulfed hundreds of properties and forced the evacuation of locals from their homes.
This footage, which has been widely circulated, shows a mid-air collision as the two helicopters worked to extinguish a wildfire in the Attica area west of Athens. Search and rescue teams were immediately mobilised. This afternoon it was confirmed that two crew members from one of the helicopters had died in the crash. The second crew were rescued alive. In the same area of western Attica, residents have been trying to put out fires encircling their properties with little assistance, using only buckets of water or hose pipes. This man says no one is getting the help they need.
I have 50 animals. My animals will burn and so will my property, everything gone. This shouldn't be happening. We're on our own. Whatever is being done, we're doing it ourselves.
Aerial firefighting operations are attempting to support crews on the ground, battling the advancing fire line. But it's not enough. The fire sweeping through pine forest towards the outskirts of the towns of Megara and Villia. Fire has already destroyed more than 100 homes in the nearby area of Porto Germano. With high temperatures and unpredictable winds hindering firefighting efforts, the Greek Prime Minister, Kyriakos Mitsotakis, has warned of extremely difficult days ahead for the country, saying there are moments when nature and the intensity of weather phenomena surpass any human planning and any operational capability. Eleanor Burnhill, RTE News.